Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to log in to Messenger using different methods. Follow these steps to access your Messenger account. If you already have the Facebook Messenger app installed, you can log in directly using your Facebook account. Here's how. Download and install the Messenger app from the Google Play Store. Open the app and tap on Continue. Log in with your Facebook account credentials to access your Messenger account seamlessly. Alternatively, you can log into Messenger using the Messenger web interface. Visit the Messenger website at messenger.com and click on Continue. Once you've clicked on Continue on the Messenger web interface, log in with your Facebook account credentials to access your Messenger account via the web platform. By following these steps, you can easily log into Messenger either through the Messenger app on your mobile device or the Messenger web interface on your computer. Whether you prefer using the Messenger app or the web interface, logging into Messenger is quick and convenient, allowing you to stay connected with friends and family through messaging and calls. We hope this guide helps you in logging into Messenger effectively. Thank you for watching.